Okay, so here we have the new Vauxhall Astra, and the three principles of this car was to make it smaller on the outside, much bigger on the inside than the outgoing car. Also to really visually communicate the weight loss that we had on this car, which was up to 200 kilograms. We wanted the car to look much more light and agile. And then the third thing was to take the principles of our design philosophy, sculptural artistry meets technical precision, and bring that through into the next bold step that this car obviously makes a statement towards. So let me just talk you around some of the key details of the car. Let's start at the front. And even though the car itself is a bit narrower than the outgoing vehicle, what we wanted to do was bring the graphics down lower and make everything really stretched so it actually looks even wider than the outgoing car. So here you see, for example, the chrome grille bar actually runs into the headlamps right the way out to these wing signature lamps, which are on all Vauxhalls, as you know. And then the other key feature here at the front, which is a first to this segment, is the LED matrix headlamp here, which is a real high-tech technology, first to segment, as I say, really, really cool. If you work round to the side of the vehicle here, this really starts to show some of the sculptural quality of the car. And you see the beautiful flowing shapes, the crisp intersecting lines, giving it that really precise feel, that high quality impression. But one of my favorite details on the car is the way this roof line flows through, right through to the rear of the car, and I call this the breakthrough C-pillar. And what that does is it really stretches the graphic of the car, making it look longer and leaner and almost coupe-like, which is really unusual in this segment. Even though we have this much more spacious interior, the car gives the impression of a coupe. The other key element here is how the rear end really flows very gently and gracefully, and again sculpturally, really highlighted by this strong double wing signature on the tail lamp, but with some great efficient features. Really crisp edges within these graphics give the car an aerodynamic drag coefficient of 0.285, which is really sensational for a car of this class. So really shows how we're trying to make the whole Astra much, much more efficient and dynamic package.